Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to make a shirt in Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First, open your phone's browser, Safari or Chrome, and go to roblox.com. Log in using your Roblox credentials. Once logged in, tap on Create. Let the page load, then tap the three lines in the corner and select Creations. Scroll to the right and tap Avatar Items. Then, under the filter, select Classic Shirts. Now, tap the Upload button to begin uploading your own shirt design. Choose the image file of your shirt from your device. After that, name your shirt. For example, Shirt for Me, and add any description you'd like. Once everything is set, tap Upload. Remember, you must have Robux in your account to complete the upload process. That's all there is to it. Your shirt will appear under your creations once approved by Roblox. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.